Hello everyone, welcome to another week of study at Lengua Vivas. This week we are going to deal with gerunds, so let's start defining what is a gerund. A gerund is a kind of noun, the name of an activity or idea. Some people call it a verb or noun, something that we do or does. Let's have a look at its form. So, a gerund is the base form of a verb plus ing. Gerund can be used as noun. We have the verb plus ing, like working, paying, and improving. In a sentence, they can act as subject, object, or complement. So, as I said before, a gerund can be the subject of the sentence. It is always singular. You should use the third person singular verb after a gerund. If it is the subject of the sentence, it answers the question what? Pay attention to this. Voting is an important responsibility. Choosing a candidate takes time. So what is an important responsibility? Voting is. Gerund as subject, if it is the object or complement, it answers the question what does or what is. So, I suggest improving our school. What do I suggest? I enjoy working for the people. Do I enjoy? Be careful with this. Gerund and progressive look the same. They both have the ing form, but progressive forms always need the verb to be before it. Sometimes they can be in the same sentence. Have a look at this example. I'm considering applying for this job. Considering is the progressive form. It has the verb to be before it, and applying is the gerund. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this short explanation. Don't hesitate to ask me if you have any questions or post your comment in our forum. Bye bye.